Programming. What is the topic today in this video? Today's topic is character program, and in this character program we will learn how to display the ASCII table. Sir, already we have done this ASCII table. What special about this video? This video will tell you that how to display the character and its ASCII value between two given characters. That means user will input two character and I will display its ASCII value after validating it. ये validation क्या होता है वही तो सीखेंगे आज हम. चलो शुरू करते हैं. Let's see what the question is asking. It says that write a program to accept two characters. Here I don't need to accept one. I need to accept two characters. What I will do with these two characters? I need to check. What I will check? I will check if both underlining, double underlining and this one. If both the characters are alphabet, then only I will do the following operation. If not, obviously, I am going to show an error message. Now, what are the operations that I need to do? The first operation says that check if the first character entered by the user is greater than the second character entered by the user. How I will check whether the first character is greater than second character or not? Is there any method, or I need to apply some logic for this? We'll see while writing the program. Then, if it is greater, what should I do? I should set the first character as the smaller alphabet than the second character. How I will do this? These kind of things we'll learn in our programming part. What is the second thing that I need to do? Display. That means if it is smaller than, then go for the display. If it is bigger one, then set the first character and the second character. Then go for display. What I need to display? I need to display the ASCII table between two given characters. But here one thing is emphasized over here, excluding both. That means the first character and second character must not be in the display part. Now how to exclude this? How to display the ASCII table? For displaying the ASCII table, you can go for this video, which will give you a clear-cut idea about it. But how to exclude it? We'll learn in this video. So let's see an example to get a little bit better idea. Suppose user has entered the first character as T and second character as $. In that case, it should display a message called invalid character because $ symbol is not an alphabet. So next example says that user has entered Q as in first character and second character as L. Now I need to check both are alphabet. Now it is valid. Then only I will check if the first character is greater than the second character because Q is bigger than L. If it is true, what should I do? I should change the first character from Q to L, and obviously the second character must be L to Q. That means it becomes now lower to higher. After that only I will display the characters, that is excluding. It says that though L is available and L is excluded, so that's why I will start from M. The next character is my M. From N to P. Why P? Because Q is excluded. So before that we have P. So that's why I will display between M and P, excluding L and Q. And obviously we know how to display the ASCII table. If you don't know, then you have to check this video first. Then you can understand this. Now it's time to learn the process, how exactly we need to do this. First of all, I need to accept the first and the second character, and I will store it in two variables. I have taken FC and SC. Now after that, the next step is check if the first character FC and the second character SC is an alphabet, then only I will start the processing. Now if it is, then what should I do? I have to convert the first and second to uppercase. Why I'm doing this? Because I need to check the bigger one. Which one is the bigger one? First one is the bigger one or the second one is bigger one? If you are having little bit doubt about it, I will clear it while writing the program. Next step is check if the first character is greater than the second character. Then what should I do? I should swap it. I will swap the value of first character to second and second character to first. How to do the swapping? This is a fundamental program. Still, I will explain you while writing the program itself. What is the next step? Next step is display the heading with tape space. Now, how to display this heading with tape space? If you are not aware of it, I said that first of all you have to see this particular video where we have discussed how to display the ASCII value and the character in a tabular form. Next step says that loop from the next character. Why next character? Because it says that first character has to be excluded. To previous character of SC. Why previous character of SC? Because it also says that SC needs to be excluded. After that, what should I do inside this loop? Display the character and its ASCII value. Job is over. But one thing is left. It said that if it is not a valid alphabet, I should show an error message. So the steps 3 will display your invalid alphabet. This step 3 is related to the if condition, that is checking whether the user inputted alphabet is a valid character or. With this, process is over, but program is not yet over. The main focus has to be given in the program. So let's start our program. First job is to create a scanner class object. Scanner SC is equal to new scanner system.in. Then display message system.out.print. Enter first character. Now character variable, suppose I am saying first character is equal to sc dot next dot char at 0 position. This is the mechanism to accept a character. Now I need to accept the second character. So that's why I will say enter second character. After accepting the first and the second character, what should be my first job? Now who can identify why it is showing an error message? These are the basic things that we should know. That means within a scope, we cannot have more than one variable with same name. Here I have taken the object of the scanner class as SC and I have taken the character, second character as SC. That's why it is generating an error message. So suppose I am changing this to ST. So here I should change this to ST. Here also I need to change it to ST. Now look at this. I don't have any error message. After accepting both the character, what should I do? My first job is to check whether both are alphabet or not. That's why I will use wrapper class character dot is. Yes, which method is available? Is letter. Now is letter which one? First character. As well as both needs to be satisfied. That's why AND operator is used. So I have to check first character and the second character. If both are alphabet or the letter, then I will get inside. Inside this, what should I do? I have to check if the first character is greater than the second character, then I need to swap it out. But for that, I need to convert it to uppercase. To a singular form I have to take. So that's why I will say first character is equal to, again I will use wrapper class character dot to uppercase. Which one? First character only. So what exactly it is doing? It is taking the first character as a parameter and converts it to uppercase and store it in the same. Suppose user has entered this alphabet called A. So this is available in your FC. Now this part will convert it to uppercase. After that it will store it in capital A. So I am overwriting the contents without using extra variable. Like this, I will use the second character and will convert it to uppercase. So that's why the parameter must be second character, and where the uppercase alphabet of the second character needs to be stored is your SCO. After converting, I can check. I will say if first character is greater than second character. First of all, is it possible or it will generate an error message? Because these are characters. And can we use relational operator in character? These are the things that we are going to learn today. Yes, we can, because when I'm using relational operator or arithmetic operator in a character variable, it implicitly converts it to its ASCII value. Based on this ASCII value, it compares it. If it is true, that means first character is greater than the second character. I have to swap it. That's why I will use character. Temporary variable is equal to first character. First character is equal to second character. Then second character is equal to t. Now, if you don't know how to swap, now let me explain you. If user has entered the first character as q and second character as p, then obviously q is greater than p. So what I am doing? I am storing the first character, that is your q, in t. Now t will contain your q. After that, here I am saying second character is assigned to first character. What is my second character? Second character is b. So b is assigned to first one. So that means first is now b. Now first is my b. Instead of q, it is b now. And in both the cases, I am having b. So what I am doing in the next case, I am saying second is equal to t. What is there in t? T contains q. I am giving it to second. So it becomes your, yes, q. So obviously this second becomes your q. हो गया swapping? समझ में आ गया आप लोगों को? अगर समझ में नहीं आया तो you can comment in my YouTube comment section. I will explain it there again with a driver. Okay. After swapping, what is my next job? छोटा बड़ा दोनों मिल गया. I have to display the heading now. So heading को display करवाते हैं अभी with tape space. So कैसे display करवाएंगे अभी? तो हम लोगों का कैसे था, वो बोल रहा था CHAR, क्या आएगा स्लैश टी, उसके बाद ASCII ASCII. Now next question arises, sir, whether it should be print or println. After displaying the heading, I will display the contents. If I will use print, then the contents will display side. So that's why I will use println. That means display the heading, then take the cursor to the next line for the contents. Now for displaying the contents, I will use 2 because more than one character has to be displayed. So I will say int ch is equal to first character plus 1 because I need to exclude the first character. मुझे first character को exclude करना है. That's why I will move from its next character. After that, I will put a semicolon. Then I will say your ch is less than second character. Why less than? Because I need to exclude the second character. That's why I'm not putting equals to symbol. Equals to symbol will include the second character. So that's why less than SC. Then obviously CH plus plus. Next question arises that is it possible to use integer where I am adding first character with 1. Now suppose user has entered the first character as B. Already I have converted it to uppercase. Even if it will enter the data in lowercase, it will convert it to uppercase. Now FC contains B. Can we add 1 to it? If you want to know all this permutation and combination, where I can use, where I cannot use, then you have to see this video where a clear-cut idea is given, the relationship between your integer and character. Now after that, I need to display it. How I will display? Like this. First I need to display the character. So I need explicit type conversion of ch. Then concatenation. What I need to do? Again I need to give a tape space. So I'm giving tape space because here I've given the tape space. Then again I need to concatenate. Concatenate it with directly ch because it contains your integer form. Now next question arises, what about this error message? Now here I will write else system.out.print. It was saying that invalid character. So I will say ERROR invalid character. As per the question, I'm displaying the error message. Let's execute it. I'm entering the first character. I've entered the first character R. I'm entering the second character. I have given star symbol. It says that invalid character because I have given star, which is not a character. Let's execute it. Now I'm giving the first character as hash. Second character as genuine alphabet E. Now, invalid character because hash. Now that means either one I'm giving invalid, it is displaying me invalid. Next, I'm using the first character as A and second character as R. Now it is displaying all the alphabets excluding A, starting from B to R. R is going to be excluded. That's why up to Q. Got it? Now let's run this. We'll do the reverse operation. I'm giving R, then A. Still it is displaying. How? Here R is the biggest one. A is the smallest one. This condition is true. So it starts swapping. After swapping, it makes it first character A and second character R. So that's why again we are getting the output in our requirement from B to Q. Hope I am clear to everyone. But one question is there for you. Suppose instead of this, I am using character data type. Is it going to work or not? Because I am using character over here and here I am adding it. Will it work or not? If it is not, why? If it will work, how it will work? So this is the question for all of you. If you want, you can send your answer in my YouTube comment section. I will rectify your doubt. With this, thank you to one and all.